Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. We share natural hair care remedies and practical tips to help you grow healthy, stronger and longer hair naturally. Now let me ask you a question. Have you been struggling with hair breakage, hair thinning, slow hair growth, edges that refuse to grow back, or perhaps your hair seems to stuck at the same length no matter what product you use? If your answer is yes, then today's video may be exactly what your hair needs. Today I will show you how to make a powerful hair growth oil using only 3 ingredients. Each of these ingredients have been used for centuries in traditional beauty and wellness practice. When combined together, they create a nutrient-rich oil that helps nourish the scalp, strengthen hair strand, reduce breakage, and support healthy hair growth. And if you love simple DIY recipes that use ingredients you can easily find at home, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up because today's recipe is one you don't want to miss. Now let's talk about our ingredients and why they are so beneficial for hair. Our first ingredient is black seed. Black seed is also known as black cumin seed. For centuries, black seed have been used in various cultures for both health and beauty purposes. One of the most important compounds found in black seed is called thymoquinone. Thymoquinone is known for its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect the body and cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules called free radicals damage cells. When the scalp experiences excessive oxidative stress, hair follicle may become weak over time. This can contribute to hair shedding and unhealthy hair growth. Black seed contains compounds that help support a healthier scalp environment. Here are the hair benefits of black seed. Number 1. Support healthy hair growth. A healthy scalp creates a better environment for hair growth. Black seed help nourish the scalp and follicle. 2. Help reduce hair shedding. Many people use black seed oil to help reduce excessive hair fall. 3. Nourish hair follicles. Hair follicles need nutrients to produce stronger strands. Black seed provides important nutrients that help support this process. 4. Support scalp health. A healthy scalp is the foundation of a healthy hair. 5. Helps improve hair thickness. Many people notice fuller looking hair with consistent use. 6. Helps strengthen weak hair. Stronger hair means less breakage and better length retention. Now tell me in the comment, have you ever used black seed oil before? If yes, what was your experience? Our second ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek have been used for centuries in hair care. These tiny golden seeds are packed with nutrients. Fenugreek contains protein, iron, vitamins, and amino acids. Hair is primarily made of a protein called keratin. Because fenugreek contains protein, it is often used to help strengthen hair strand. Here are the benefits of fenugreek seed for hair. 1. Help strengthen hair strand. Stronger strands are less likely to break. 2. Reduce breakage. Many people experience growth setback because their hair breaks before they can retain length. 3. Help hair feel softer. Fenugreek contains natural compounds that can improve hair texture. 4. Support the calorie hair. Hair often appear fuller with regular use. 5. Help moisture retention. Moisturized hair is generally less fragile. 6. Support healthy scalp condition. A healthy scalp can encourage healthier hair growth. One thing I love about fenugreek is that it works for many hair types, including natural hair, relaxed hair, transitional hair, and curly hair. Our last ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil have been used for beauty purposes for thousands of years. It is rich in beneficial fatty acids and antioxidants. Here are the benefits of olive oil. 1. Help moisturize hair. Dry hair tends to break more easily. Olive oil help lock in moisture into the hair shaft. 2. Improve hair softness. Hair often feels smoother after using olive oil. 3. Help reduce friction. Reduce friction means less breakage during styling. 4. Hard shine. Olive oil can improve the appearance of dull hair. 5. Support scalp hydration. A hydrated scalp tends to feel more comfortable. 6. Helps protect hair. Olive oil forms a light protective layer around the hair strand. One reason olive oil works so well in this recipe is because it acts as a carrier oil. Carrier oil helps extract beneficial compounds from the seed. Now imagine combining all 3 ingredients. You get black seed for nourishment, antioxidant, and scalp support. Fenugreek for protein, strength benefit, and thickness support. And olive oil for moisture, protection, and softness. Together, this ingredient creates a powerful oil blend designed to support healthier hair. Let's make our ingredient. We'll be needing 1 tablespoon of black seed, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed, 1 cup of olive oil. Slightly crush the seed. Crushing helps release beneficial compounds. Add the crushed seed to a clean pot. Pour in the olive oil. Heat on a very low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not allow the oil to burn. Gently heating helps infuse the oil. Remove from heat, allow it to cook completely. Strain the oil. Transfer to a clean bottle. Your hair growth oil is now ready. How to use this oil. Pat your hair into session. Apply the oil directly to your scalp. Massage gently for 5 minutes. Scalp massage can help improve circulation. Warm the oil slightly. Apply throughout your hair. Cover with a shower cap. Leave it on for 1 hour. Then wash up. You can also apply before bed. Cover your hair and wash off in the morning. With consistent use, you will notice softer hair, less breakage, better moisture retention, healthier scalp, fuller looking hair, improved length retention. Remember, hair growth takes time. Consistency is important. Focus not only on growth but also on retaining the hair you grow. And here you have it, a simple but powerful hair growth oil made with black seed, fenugreek seed, and olive oil. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like this video, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification. And before you go, tell me in the comment which ingredient surprised you most today, black seed, fenugreek seed, or olive oil. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed and take care of your hair naturally.